Hey friends, if your laptop is stuck on hibernating screen, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to discharge the capacitors. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do this. Simply switch off your system, remove the battery, remove the power cord. There should be no source of power to your system. Press the power button for 40 seconds continuously. This will discharge the capacitors. After this, connect everything and log in back to your system and then run the power troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space /id space power diagnostic. Copy it, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, paste it and hit enter. This will open the power troubleshooter. Click on next, it will start detecting issues and resolve them if possible. The next one is to restore power settings to default. So how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the current power plan, click on change plan settings and then click on restore power settings to default. Click on yes. Last solution is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates and install all the optional updates possible, especially the driver updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.